All right, well, I was inspired by a video that I saw recently by Grand Roofing, which I think Grand Roofing has the best roofing channel on YouTube. So shout out to Grand Roofing. But hey, so I'm on a roof right now. It's starting to rain. I want to do this quick. I want to see what you guys think about this. So the homeowner has already filed a claim for hail damage. Said that three other roofers have actually been out here and looked at the roof. Let me show you what it is that I'm finding. And I'd like you to leave comments in the comments section down below. And roofers, tell me what you think. All right, so this house, two-story house, you see the lower level down there. You can see some damage. We'll look at that when we get down. But from up here, okay, you can see some things. And again, we'll look at that when we get down. But from up here, let's take a look at what we're finding. Okay, so lots of this kind of stuff. All right, a lot of that in this one area. Okay, then obviously there's problems, right? These shingle cracks and splits and stuff. But on this whole upper roof, where is hail damage? Okay, well, if I come over here, so got one here, borderline one here, there's one there, there's one up here, one here, and two more there. Okay, so on the front side of the upper roof, that's pretty much all we're seeing. On the back side, now on the back side, we're not even seeing any of that kind of old, almost blistering looking stuff. But over here, okay, we got three here, three right here, one here, and a couple over here. Okay, and then if I go over here, there's three here, two here, one here, and one right here. Okay, now let's go down and take a look at the lower roof, get out of the rain. Okay, so now on the lower roof, this is what we're seeing. And we're only seeing it right here. Not seeing it over there, not seeing it over here. Let's take a look at this roof. So on this lower roof, seeing the same kind of thing. Okay, you can see the fibers on there. But look at that, all hugging right up against that wall. And then on the back side, we're not really seeing anything. All right, so roofers, homeowners, adjusters, let me know what you think. Do you think this is hail damage? This homeowner has already filed a claim. He's gonna get the answer, he said, in a few days. What do you think they're gonna tell him? Also, if you like this video, please give us the big thumbs up. If you've got questions that you want us to answer, we do read and respond to all questions that we get on our YouTube channel. Leave those in the comment section down below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon up there so that way you get notified when we've got new videos. And until our next video, I'm Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing.